So here I have the 2-inch white desk grommets. This is by Bainbridge. So this is the 5-pack. Just wanted to show you the measurements of these. So a nice white design, and these are also removable, this part right here. But this is where you put into your desk, right into your 2-inch hole, and then you put these cords in there. But a nice, durable, hard plastic. And then, so let's measure the actual hole. So the actual hole on here measured is actually a 1 7/8, 1 15 16ths, 2 inch. I mean, it's right at there. There's a hair down. So anyway, you got to have a standard 2-inch hole to put these in, or just get a 2-inch hole saw, drill into your desk wherever you want to put your cords. But this is the 5-pack. Very nice. And obviously they could be painted. You could maybe use primer paint if they needed to be a different color, but all these removed as well. So that is 2-inch white desk grommet 5-pack.